In this lesson, we will learn how to sign in Google Gemini for the first time. Let's see. So if you are a new user, you need to directly go to the following website. Okay, gemini.google.com, and you only need a Gmail ID to log in. Let's see. So here we are using Google Chrome. You can use any web browser. On the browser, go to the website gemini.google.com and press enter. Here is the official website, and we already logged into our Gmail ID. Click chat with Gemini. Here are some terms, you can read it, and click more and go below so that the I agree button is visible. Click on it. Welcome to Gemini. You can see. If you want, you can select it to get the updates regarding Gemini improvements, that is announcements. Click continue. And here it is, we have logged into Gemini for the first time. Okay, this is the free version. So here and we will type our prompt. Okay, these are the suggested prompts. You can also click the menu to expand it so that the chats are visible here. Each and every chat would be visible here. Okay. If you want a dark theme, you can click settings and enable dark theme. Okay. So guys, we saw how we can log in Gemini for the first time. In the next lesson, we will understand what is a prompt. Okay. What is prompt engineering and who are prompt engineers. With that, we will also write our first prompt on Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video.